We are on the Media tab of the Yoast SEO search appearance settings. This Media tab exists for one important reason. When you upload an image to WordPress, that image gets a URL that becomes available. But WordPress also automatically creates a so-called attachment URL for it, so you automatically have two URLs. The attachment URL is very much like a post, but it only contains the image itself, and maybe the description you added when you uploaded the image and edited it. These attachment URLs are not useful in 99.5% of websites, which is why we have a setting that is default on for everyone, that says redirect attachment URLs to the attachment itself. So when you open the attachment URL, we automatically redirect you to the image that you've uploaded, because that makes sense. If you do use these attachment URLs, and the only people we know that use attachment URLs are photographers or people with photography sites, then you could set this to no, and you could do all the same things that you can do with the other content types on the Content Types tab.